If you use Krita regularly, learning the brush size shortcuts can save you a ton of time and make your workflow feel much smoother. Instead of constantly stopping to open menus or adjust sliders, you can change your brush size instantly right from the keyboard or directly on the canvas. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can paint faster and stay focused on your artwork. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast Krita tips and shortcuts. Alright, let's jump in. The first shortcut is the left square bracket key. Press the left square bracket and Krita will make your brush smaller in small increments. This is perfect when you need more precision, finer details, or cleaner line work. If you want to make your brush larger, simply press the right square bracket key. Each press increases the brush size step by step, which is great when you need to move from detail work to broad shading or big fills without interrupting your flow. These two shortcuts are the fastest way to adjust brush size if you like working from the keyboard. But Krita also gives you another very handy method. Hold down Shift, then left click on the canvas and drag your mouse to the left to decrease the brush size. If you drag to the right, the brush size increases. This is especially useful if you prefer visual control and want to see the change happen more naturally while you work. It can feel a lot more intuitive, especially when you're painting and want to make quick adjustments without taking your attention away from the canvas. So to recap, use the left square bracket to make the brush smaller, the right square bracket to make it larger, or hold Shift and drag left or right on the canvas to fine-tune the size visually. Once you get used to these shortcuts, changing brush size in Krita becomes second nature and can seriously speed up your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials and creative shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.